you make Minecraft in one morning? That's what I wanted to figure out. So I gave myself a maximum of 4 hours, no pre-written code, and a goal to make world generation, movement, mining, placing blocks, and pandas.
Pandas?
To make things worse, if I fail, I have to give every single one in my community premium for free.
The clock just turned 6. Let's get to work.
Usually you don't start with how the game looks, but this time I did, because I was using AI to help build the game. Setting up the art early actually saved a lot of time. I spent some time trying to find the official art files that they use in real Minecraft, and some of the results were questionable. I just got a message saying AI is done with this task, so let's see. Yeah, this actually looks quite good. The only problem now is that the grass texture that they use in Minecraft is white, so I'll have to apply a green tint. Looks much better now. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How the f does Minecraft have so many different worlds? It all comes down to procedural world generation. You see, instead of building the whole map by hand, Minecraft uses a math pattern called noise to turn random seeds into hills, caves, oceans, and biomes, so that the world feels natural while still being different every time. Oh, nerdy nerd, go away. I was doing a simple explanation here, come on.
Well, actually, it's a deterministic generation driven by seeded noise fields.
Shut the f up, nerd.
Aww.
Now, for some reason, when I implemented sand and water into the world generation, the entire thing broke and just became a flat desert, which also broke the underground. The sand issue was a major setback which ate up a lot of our time, but after 30 minutes of tinkering, I think I got it fixed. With only 2 hours left, we still had to implement mining and placing blocks. To save time, I also had to put everything into one big task for the AI to work on while I worked on a player. So I'm expecting to have mining, placement, and an inventory setup after this. And yeah, the AI cooked. Everything works as intended. At this point, only the hardest and arguably most important task is remaining. Implement animals. The only thing is that I've used codecs a lot in this challenge and my rate limits are now used up, so I'm now using an API key, which is basically that you pay like for each message that you send. So hopefully my wallet is going to stay intact by the end of this. I also tried to apply some post-processing, but to be honest, there wasn't that much to do. I only added some blue. Yay, a friend! I'm not alone anymore. But I'm still broke. After using the cow as a test subject, I implemented the pig, wolf, chicken, and finally the panda. Yep, that's exactly what I intended. At least Mr. Cow would never do something like that to me. Now, with the animals not being upside down anymore, I also added this very cool sun simulation to simulate a day and night cycle. Now, with that done, there's only one very important and interesting thing that's left. Caves. Nah, I'm just kidding. Pandas! So yeah, I made Minecraft in one morning. I started this challenge at 6 AM, now it's 9:40, so I spent a little under 4 hours actually. And I think if you are an aspiring game developer, I think there's one thing that you can take away from this. And it's that even though you have a full-time job, you might have school, whatever, if you just have 1 or 2 hours, at least a couple times a week, you can get a lot done. Not just learning game development, but I'm sure you can even make an entire game with just 1 or 2 hours a day. Now you might be curious and overwhelmed, where do I start? How do I learn coding? Do I need to be a giga nerd? No, you don't actually need to be a giga nerd. I actually have a free game development community. It's the first link below. You also get a completely free course included, where you'll start learning the basics of game development and the basics of learning how to code, so that you can get started on your game development journey without feeling overwhelmed or just stuck in these passive YouTube tutorials. So it's called Smart Indie, it's the first link below. You just have to make an account on this website called School. It's like a growing community platform, so you can check that out, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.